Hey guys, it's John. Welcome back to another video. In this one I'm unboxing this Caseology case for the Pixel 5. What I've noticed is they're the exact same packaging as other brands like Spigen. I think these cases come from the same company with slight changes and different branding. So in the box we have the case and a card from Caseology. Doesn't really say anything important, just looks nice. And here we have the case. It's got quite a nice glossy spiral pattern on it. My initial thoughts is the texture on the side here is quite nice. It's got a good bumpy grippy feel. And the back is hard plastic but has a bit of grip. And the top of the case has a rubbery kind of tire feeling. It's got a lot of bumps on it. Feels quite sturdy. But the plastic back here feels weird. Feels like it can just pop off. There you go, you can just pop off. I guess that's there more for design than actual protection. There's a gap at the top here, which is where the proximity sensor is. The back looks quite nice, it's just a Caseology symbol there. Has all the correct cutouts. The only thing that's throwing me off here is the plastic being a separate object that pops off, but maybe you like it. Right, now to put it in, I'm going to put in the power buttons first. That's a nice snug fit. The ports look good, perfectly aligned, and the back of the case is also perfectly aligned with the camera and fingerprint. Again, that top texture doesn't feel that nice, but this does, it's smooth. This top bit though just doesn't feel pleasant to rub my fingers across. It's the exact same texture as the bottom here, and when I'm swiping my finger back and forth here to swap between apps, I'm actually rubbing my finger along this grippy, bumpy texture. Doesn't feel too great. The lip isn't as big here as it is in some other cases. It's easier to get your finger in there to swipe using the gesture navigations. The slope down here makes it easy to access the fingerprint scanner. It fits nice and snug, quite comfortably actually. And the buttons are nice and clicky too. Feel good to press. Yeah, this looks like this would protect your phone if you dropped it. You've got the lip to protect it if you want to place it face down. It's got decent weight to it. Feels good in the hand. Feels sturdy. And this is a little grip test. Pretty good, it clings on quite well till it starts to slide off. Wireless charging test. It works. And that's that for this review of the Caseology case for the Pixel 5. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.